Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the hybrid system fuses relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Now stay with us guys, we'll explain about all the fuses that control the hybrid system, including charger, converters, inverters, everything almost you can think of. There will be many fuses, be mentally prepared, we'll work in many fuse boxes, we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you guys thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The hybrid fuses, relays, come guys, we'll show you where you can find them. Okay, mentally be prepared, we'll be working in many fuse boxes. Quick guys, advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes C-Class guys do not know about all the different fuse boxes in that Mercedes. You have many hidden ones. Some fuse boxes do not even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what do we guys need to do first? We need to come and open the passenger door. Here on the passenger side in the footwell compartment on the A pillar, on that trim, plastic trim, you have a cover. Open that cover. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, again, be prepared, we'll be checking multiple things, starting here now. Okay, you may or may not have the fuses depending on, of course, if you have a hybrid, non-hybrid, which models you have, all that stuff we changing because there are different configurations. But the first fuse that you may need to check, if you have it, check fuse 301 right here. That will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse 309 guys. 309 will be this fuse, okay, that you see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 309, that one here. Next, guys, since we are already here in the interior, if you remove the glove box, behind it, on the left side, behind the dash, you have a pre-fuse box. There will be many cables, of course, here connected. If you open it, you have that design here, guys. Here we need to check, two more fuses, okay, and you wonder which ones are those guys, okay. Well, the first one is fuse number 2, okay. Fuse number 2 guys, I want to show you that now that's 5432. If you have it, it will be right here. Okay, that fuse box on ours was out of non-hybrid, so we don't have it, but that will be the fuse that you need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 10. Okay, it will be, because this one is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This fuse will need to be checked here. Next, guys, we need to come and open the hood. Under the hood, facing the engine on the right side, okay, on your driver's side, You see that knob? Turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one in the back, leave that cover, and right here you can kind of see the white and black. That's the engine fuse box with black lid. In order to remove the cover, unscrew the two bolts with Torx 22, open the cover, and that's the main engine fuse box. Here specifically, we will need to check a few more fuses, guys. We're talking about, okay, let me start now. Fuse number 100. Now, where that one will be located, if you have it, it will be right here. It will be humongous maxi fuse right here. Okay, will be fuse number 100. Then you will need to check fuse number 112. That one right here. Okay, this one right there will need to be checked. Then you need to locate fuse number 118, guys. 118, so that will be 15, 16, 17, 18. It will be that fuse right here. If you have that fuse, then you will need to locate fuse number 127. That one right there, 127. And you need to check fuse 129. Now 129, guys, you have integrated circuit fuses right here, which is 129 right here underneath, so that's a little bit hidden as well. You will have relay I right here that you will need to check. Then, okay, guys, let me show you what else you need to check. You may have a relay right here, Q, on the hybrids, that you will need to check as well. And here you have relay O. You see that relay? It's under the cover, integrated relay. That's O, J, and relay L. Relay O will need to be checked. Guys, we are not done. Okay, why? Because here under the hood on the left side, facing the engine, on the passenger side, you see that cover where the battery sign is. If you open it, that's your positive, the jump starter terminal. That looks like this one, right? Now, guys, if you look at the back side, that's actually a pre-fuse box. And that pre-fuse box, okay, on the inside will have almost the same kind of fuses like the pre-fuse box on the inside. Here specifically, guys, we will need to check a few different ones, okay, and you have two different kinds. Now, if you have that pre-fuse box, depending on which year and model, okay, you have as well, will be fuse number 12. If you have that kind of fuse box, will be fuse number 12 that you will need to check. And also the other one, guys, will be fuse number C2 right here on the bottom. Now, if you guys have the other kind of fuse box that looks like this one right here, you will need to check fuse number. Okay, give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, we're talking about fuse C1 in that case, and C1 will be this fuse right here. Will need to be checked, guys. Okay, right there. Now, we're not done. You think you're done, right? We're not. In the trunk, open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. Right here in the corner on the right side, you have another carpet liner that's cut out, lifted up. Underneath is the main trunk fuse box. And here we continue checking up to 3 more fuses, guys. I know it's ridiculous, but one of them is fuse 412. If you have the hybrid, you will most likely have this one. Fuse 457. That's 461, 460. 59, 58, 57 will be right here for 457. Then you will need to check fuse 459. So that's the fuse right here. So those are the main fuses relays for your hybrid system. Any of you having a hybrid, plug-in hybrid Mercedes C-Class W205, always check these things if you have problems with the hybrid system. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.